On the next quilt show, we're having an Appliqué, a celebration of all things applique.
We have searched deep into our treasure trove of great guests to share with you an Appliqué Masterclass show.
For example, remember when we learned about the game-changing applique tools from Rojas?
Or when SUE GARMAN taught us new uses for the swimming pool noodles that we've never seen.
Or when Sue Nichols showed us how she makes her extraordinary applique borders.
I'm remembering how excited you got when Liuxin Newman sewed the tiniest applique dots by hand.
And what about when you, Ricky, showed us your double blanket stitch on your Rhapsody quilt?
We've got an hour packed with great inspiration and, even more importantly, great applique tips coming your way on the next quilt show.